Sterling and Wilson Renewable Energy Q3 FY26 results, execution progress, order book signals, and investor outlook. Sterling and Wilson Renewable Energy's Q3 FY26 performance reflects a company that is moving through a stabilization phase, with a clear emphasis on execution quality rather than aggressive expansion. The quarter did not bring sharp surprises, but it did reinforce management's intent to prioritize project delivery, cash discipline, and sustainable order inflow. The stock reaction around the results remained measured, indicating that expectations were largely priced in. Movement in the share price suggested that participants are closely tracking execution consistency rather than headline growth, with short-term trends staying range-bound amid cautious sentiment toward EPC-focused renewable companies. From a financial standpoint, revenue in Q3 FY26 tracked ongoing project execution schedules. The company's top line continued to depend on milestone-based billing, which naturally leads to quarter-to-quarter variability. However, the overall execution pace suggested that the order book is being translated into revenue in a controlled manner. Margins remained under pressure compared to long-term aspirations, reflecting competitive bidding conditions, legacy project cost structures, and tight pricing across the renewable EPC space. That said, management's continued focus on cost optimization and disciplined project selection is aimed at gradually improving profitability over future quarters. One of the key positives from the quarter was the stability in operations. Unlike earlier periods marked by volatility, Q3 FY26 showed smoother execution across projects. This indicates that internal processes, vendor coordination, and on-ground project management are becoming more predictable. The order book continues to provide medium-term revenue visibility. While large, aggressive orders were not the highlight of the quarter, incremental additions and a healthy pipeline point towards sustained activity. The company appears focused on quality of orders rather than chasing scale at the cost of margins. Sector-wise, the renewable energy EPC landscape remains highly competitive. Large domestic players, international EPC firms, and integrated developers continue to bid aggressively for utility-scale solar and hybrid projects. This keeps pricing tight and places a premium on execution capability and balance sheet strength. Sterling and Wilson's experience across geographies and technologies remains a strategic advantage. The company's ability to execute large-scale solar projects, along with hybrid and energy storage-linked infrastructure, positions it well as grid-scale renewable capacity continues to expand. A critical aspect investors are tracking is working capital management. EPC businesses are inherently capital intensive, and Q3 FY26 reinforced the importance of disciplined receivables management, milestone based payments, and careful vendor negotiations to maintain liquidity stability. Another area of focus is the company's international exposure. While overseas projects provide diversification, they also introduce currency, regulatory, and execution risks. The current approach appears to balance international opportunities with a stronger emphasis on domestic execution, where visibility and control are relatively higher. From a strategic standpoint, Sterling and Wilson is aligning itself with long-term renewable capacity addition targets in India. As utility-scale solar, hybrid power, and grid-supporting projects expand, EPC players with proven execution track records stand to benefit, provided they manage risk prudently. The renewable energy sector itself remains structurally strong. Capacity addition targets, decarbonization goals, and increasing power demand create a long runway. However, near-term challenges such as pricing pressure, execution timelines, and funding costs continue to test EPC companies. Risks to monitor include further margin compression due to aggressive bidding, delays in project execution, payment cycles stretching, and volatility in commodity prices. Any slowdown in new project awards could also impact revenue visibility beyond the existing order book. On the positive side, catalysts include faster execution leading to better cash flows, selective high-quality order wins, improvement in margin profile, and stronger visibility on project completion timelines. Any stabilization in sector pricing dynamics would also support profitability. Overall, Q3 FY26 for Sterling and Wilson Renewable Energy reflects a phase of consolidation and operational discipline. The company is not in an aggressive growth sprint but is focused on building execution credibility and financial stability. For long-term focused participants, the key takeaway is that performance hinges less on short-term revenue spikes and more on consistent execution, margin protection, and disciplined growth. The coming quarters will be crucial in determining whether operational stability can translate into sustained financial improvement.